Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maja and today we're doing a vlog. It is 4:30 p.m. already, but I've just sat at my desk doing uni, so the morning was not really exciting. But now it's such good weather, it's really sunny, it's really hot, it's almost, I think it's 25 degrees like Celsius, so that's really hot for Germany. That is real summer feeling here. And yeah, I just am waiting for my best friend to arrive, and then we will go to the inner city and to the river and, I don't know, go kayaking or canoeing. Canoeing, that's the word, not kayaking. We're going to rent a canoe, and yeah, so I'm just gonna take you with me and enjoy.
Alex?
Love it.
Wie bei so einer Serie, das echte Leben von Alexandra Franz. Hi.
Welcome! Okay guys, we made it. We're on the canoe, we're on the water. Alex is laughing at me because... No, my paddle! Oh my gosh! I almost lost my paddle, but it's still here. We are definitely not the only ones that had the idea. And at the beginning we didn't know how this works. Like, we didn't know how to steer or whatever, but it's kind of working now. It's a beautiful day, and yeah. So, vielleicht mal lenken. Ups, oh, Chaos. This is amazing. Okay, so we did the 90-minute tour. It took us 2 hours, but we did it. It was fun. It was really nice. And now we're trying to get something to eat. And yeah. Anything to
Talk
say?
to you later, bitte.
Beep! Okay friends, we arrived back home and I took a quick shower because my body was full of sunscreen and it's disgusting. Anyways, TMI. But we have some sweet potato fries in the oven, and this beautiful human being is making food. Look at this. So healthy.
I don't know.
It's gonna be a nice feast. Yum 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 yum. Look at this beautiful setup, guys. Oh, this gorgeous food. Yummy. Okay, guys. So it is 11 p.m. now. Alex left like 20 minutes ago. We just watched my favorite TV show and just chatted and yeah, just enjoyed the evening. And yeah, we had a really fun day. Like, this was really, really needed. During these corona times, everything seems so dull and the daily routine is so boring. Like, just waking up, doing university from home or school or whatever you have to do, and then just going to bed and nothing really happens. Maybe going for a walk, but that's it. So it was really needed to go on this little adventure today. It was really fun. Like, you saw the footage. It was a beautiful day and now I'm really exhausted and yeah, so I'm heading to bed. I hope you enjoyed this this vlog, this different kind of video. If you liked it, don't forget to click the thumbs up button, subscribe, yeah, and then see you next time. Bye!